Hi, my name is Nathan Adams, and this is a Gimp tutorial from Shemble Studio. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about changing this logo that we have on the screen into a neon logo. So let's get ourselves started. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to select all that text, all that's in black. Notice it's all in one color. That'll be good for our selection. Now let's change this threshold. Just move it up a little bit. And then, there we go. Select all of our stuff by color. And then go into our paths tool there. Alright, and with that selection, what we do is we do selection to path. There we go. Now I turn on that path, and then we just select that path that we just created by pressing Control, click, left mouse button. Okay, so there we go. Before I do anything else, I want to clean up that selection, so I'm actually just going to click onto nothing. Then I'll just get that path again. Control, click, there we go. Alright, and then what we can do is we can do a stroke path. Now, before we start the stroke path dialog, we need to make sure that our foreground color is white, not black. Alright, this is going to be very important when we do this next step. So we need to make a new layer. We're going to call this neon. Okay? Alright, now we do our stroke path. So what that'll do is that everything that is a path on this picture is then going to create a stroke line using this foreground color, right? So let's take a look and see what it does. Well, that doesn't exactly look like what we want, right? Let's turn this off, this background, because we're not going to be using it. Notice that all this stuff right here is black. It's not white like we wanted. So there's a little bit of an error, and we need to fix that. So let's just Control Z a couple steps. Alright, and we're going to turn this one off. Alright, and then we need to take a look at our channels. Right now it's in indexed mode, which the way to solve this kind of problem is to take it from indexed mode, go to image, mode, and then change it to RGB. And then get all those channels, every single one of them. Okay, and now when we do stroke path, do stroke line, hit stroke, and now we have our white. Okay, easy as that. Now the next thing we're going to do is that all this white here, we're going to change to a neon color. So we go to our filters, and then we go to alpha to logo, neon. Now, you can do whatever glow color you want. I like to do the red myself, so I'm going to go all the way red. I'm going to hit OK. And then we'll just keep these at the defaults, and we hit OK. And then we wait for it to do its thing. So it goes through a nice little script process. Okay. Alright, it'll just be a couple more moments and then it's all done. And voila, there we go. We have a nice neon glow on our text. And it also put in a black background because that was also in the dialog. So you can also take that out. You know, you can do that. Add it to some kind of a transparent background, whatever you want to do. And there you go. You have your neon text, and that is how you create it from an existing image, such as a GIF, or if you have a JPEG, whatever it may be. Mine was just a little Mine was basically a monotone type of just black and alpha, and that was it. You can do it with whatever you have there. You can create a new one completely, whatever you want to do. So, this is Nathan Adams, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.